Here we have a Cinderella pumpkin, and it's called a Cinderella pumpkin because it looks like Cinderella's carriage that came from a pumpkin. So these are interesting looking, but they're also creamy and delicious, great for baking or even making pies. You do want to make sure that you wash the outside because dirt can accumulate, especially in the top and bottom parts. So this one has already been washed, and we're gonna cut it open. Here is the inside of our Cinderella pumpkin, and the skin is really thin and was easy to cut through, and it's got an orange flesh even before cooking. You're going to scrape out all the seeds and these fibery bits just in the same way you would for like a jack-o'-lantern, and leave you with the edible flesh part. You can skin these, but I like to cook them in the skins, and then if I want to, I can scrape them out pretty easily. Now, if you are using your Halloween pumpkins for Thanksgiving, they do usually last depending on the weather. You just need to make sure that they're firm and they don't have any brown spots, and that when you cut it open, it should smell fresh and kind of like a fruit or vegetable, not sour or rotten. So after trimming all of the insides out of my pumpkin, this is what I'm left with. I will roast these face down so they kind of steam. These ones you could cut up into smaller pieces or just roast them how they are. This piece I leave on there. You could trim it off if it bothered you. You'll just remove it at the end. If you plan on eating your pumpkin, then add salt, pepper, and oil. But if you're going to make a pie, just go ahead and roast it until it is quite soft and you're able to mash it with a fork. Mine formed quite a bit of liquid. You want to make sure that you strain out that liquid if you're going to make pie. If you're making soup, then you can leave it in. My pumpkin made about the equivalent of 6 cans of pumpkin filling, so I have lots of pumpkin left. But for pie, go ahead and add some eggs and some heavy cream, mix it together, and bake it for about 45 minutes until it sets up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe.